Did you find all my bolts?
Yeah, they're all right there. I'm fast.
He did the Solomon #1 cardinal sin. Do not turn the valve covers over when you take them out because the bolts will go flying. And those are not easy bolts to find, by the way. I've already had to replace 2.
For real?
And then I'll find them later on when I move the car because they shake out of whatever crevice they went into. All right, preliminary reports look like the valve train's still there.
Yeah.
So
It's still there. Did you shake them?
I mean, yeah, they look. They're nice and tight. Yeah, even that one. Yeah, seemed fine. You want to put your hand on it? All right, let me get this fucking annoying ass. The only thing concerning really that when I first pulled the plugs out was this #7. As you can see, there's like some soot on it. Like it took like something there. So I want to peek in there to see if I can see anything. You want to look in there? Light it up for you. Ready?
Is that #7?
Yeah. Oh. Why is that bolt back down? That's what I want to know.
Which one?
That header bolt. All right, let's check it up so we can get underneath it because we're going to have to turn it from underneath.
Part?
No. Oh my God, what is that?
What?
Yep, it was definitely the radiator that caused the sparks. Bro.
After it's swelled up?
Bro.
What the fuck is that?
You see that?
Is that dust?
Yeah.
Is that aluminum dust? Is it? Oh, nice. Your car's so shiny.
And it's because the radiator balloon's so far down, it's literally scrapes on the bottom.
Scrape on the bottom?
Oh, huge scrapes.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Cool.
Alright.
I mean, not cool, but I mean, it is what it is.
Cool that it didn't come out of the side of the fucking block.
Yeah. Your initial thought, is there a hole inside of the motor?
Of course. Oh, like butter.
Oh. You go? Let me see the valve. You turn. In the back one.
All this freaking aluminum on the bottom of the thing, it actually, that's where the sparks came up. This is all just aluminum shaving from. Yeah, check that out.
Bro, we need to take that out.
That is crazy. Radiator completely swole up, and then it started scraping right here because now this becomes the lowest part of the car because the radiator sits so low. All right, so unfortunately, what seemed like good news turned out to be pretty crappy news. Let it focus. Yep, that's a pretty melted hole on the side of that head right there. You can see the header has a bunch of white stuff on it from probably the heat, huh?
Yeah.
But yeah, that hole in the cylinder head there is not good news. It definitely melted right through there. The good thing is it seems like
Still has compression.
no, I was looking for it still has compression.
Yeah.
But I was I wonder what hole that is.
I don't know. That's what I'm
Is that water? I bet you that's water.
I think that's a water jacket.
That's a good question. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Is that a water jacket there? It can't be the cylinder chamber.
We're gonna find out.
How?
I can try to stick my hand in there.
And where?
Or can you stick your hand
In what?
in? Oh, how big is that hole?
Oh, you can maybe stick a finger in it.
Maybe a finger in there.
The good news the thing that I was looking for is to see if there was any kind of heat or burn marks on between the cylinder and the block to see if it torched the head, because that's normally where it comes out of, and there wasn't, which I thought I was shocked and I was surprised and happy for a second, and then I noticed this big old hole sitting right there. The plan is to be able to make this car runnable to where I can unload it and unload it on a trailer, because I want to take it to the shop and I want to put it on a frame machine and see if the body, see how bad the body is. So I have to be able to get this car to run. It's going to be way more of a pain in the ass to have to push it in and out, especially on the frame machine. That's going to be almost not doable. Alright, so we took the bumper off of it. Radiator is gone. We're going to throw some spark plugs in it real quick and try to fire this puppy up, see if it'll idle. Check this thing out. This is I mean, look at it. That thing.
Ugly.
And no, I do not have the fishbowl look. You know how they put the setting on some of the GoPros?
Yeah.
No, I forget what it's called. No, it's not on. This is how the radiator actually looks in real life.
Mexican roots with my accordion.
This is where the sparks came out of, for sure. That is all scraped up from the track.
Yep.
Crazy.
Took out. I know, but I got two, and I already put one in the back, and I'm just missing one in the front.
How many sparklers do you have?
2. The math is not enough one. You left one in here, you gave me 4.
I don't know where they are. I got 4.
It's a secret to the 7s, the extra sparkler.
This is one of those V12. Nobody knows. Everybody keeps asking me why the motor looks like it's so far back. We're hiding the other 4
We're hiding the other 4
cylinders.
cylinders.
We're just having fun. Yeah. This is part of the race life.
Yeah.
You gotta have fun. It's gotta be fun,
Yeah.
or else.
It won't be fun.
Yeah, I mean, or else there's no point in doing it.
You should
Even during the bad times, it's gotta be fun.
I'm done over here. I'm waiting on you.
Yeah, this is the hard side, asshole. 4 wires, 4 plugs, 4 coils. Your side?
Yep. Good, man. Good go.
Right, let's
Can you
see.
see what starts?
See if it runs.
Do you set now or?
No, let's see what it does.
See what it does now? Go ahead.
Ready?
Oh, this is. Go ahead, try. What's that turn around? It's coming from that. From the hole.
What's all that rack?
Huh?
What's all that rack?
Where you hearing it from? What side? Because it'll just be worse. It'll run though. Just know that. You know what I mean? So we'll have to do.
Mission accomplished on that.
Yes. It's just that to get it, whatever you got to do, and then we.
All right. Even though we got bad news with the head being a hole in it and whatnot, we did achieve our goal, which is make it runnable to get on the trailer. So.
Sounds horrible.
I know.
But it's just because of a really bad exhaust leak. That's not what about a really bad exhaust leak.
The next step is to take it to the body shop, make sure, put it on a frame machine and find out what it's gonna take to get this body right again. And then from there, once I get all that done, from there I'll bring it back to the house, clean the garage. We'll put it sideways like this, Solomon.
Like this?
Yeah, and we'll tear it down.
Yeah,
We'll take the heads off of it.
I mean, if it's just the head, for this one, it just looks.
Take it all apart, look at it real good, make sure that the block itself is fine. That's my biggest concern, like the block, the pistons. And then from there, we'll see what we do about the head, see if we can get them repaired or what, but go from there. So that's it. We'll end the video here. Thank you, Solomon, for always coming out and hanging out, always being a down, MFer. But yeah, we'll leave it there. We got a lot of work to do, dude.
Yeah.
A lot of work.
You said it's fun taking off 6-bolt heads on a car, right?
Yeah. Have you ever done that?
Nope.
You're about to.
We're gonna find out.